Here is how you can install Iris shaders in Minecraft 1.21.5. First, you need to install a mod loader for your Minecraft. There are several mod loaders, but I suggest you use Fabric as it runs super smoothly. You can also go and watch my video on how to install Fabric mods. After this installation, just search for Fabric mods. Now open this Modrinth website. In order to install Iris shaders, first we need this sodium mod. Just open it. Now click on this download. Choose the game version. Also, choose Fabric, and again click on this download button. Now go and download this Iris shaders. Choose the correct version, and again, Fabric. After download, go to the Minecraft launcher, select this Installations tab, hover over to Fabric Loader, and click on this icon to open the installation folder. Now here, open this mod folder, and simply move the downloaded files, Sodium and Fabric, into this folder. After this process, go to your Minecraft launcher and just play the game from this tab. Make sure you have Fabric Mod Loader selected in this menu. Click on play. Now in Minecraft, click on this Options button, choose Video Settings, and select this Shaders Packs tab. Here, we click on this Open Shader Pack Folder button to open its directory in File Explorer. Then just go to the Modrinth website, click on this Shaders to view all available shaders, select your preferred one, download the shaders with the same method, and choose Iris from here. Simply move the downloaded file into this shaders folder we just opened. Now in Minecraft, select the shaders from here, click on Apply, and you are done. The Iris shaders are installed.